Tax is derived from Latin word taxo and is something which is mandatory monetary charge imposed upon a taxpayer, an individual or organization by the government of that country. This is done to ensure smooth functioning of various public expenses. Non-payment, evasion, or resistance to tax payment might result in prosecution of that individual or organization. There are various types of taxes like income tax, property tax, payroll tax, sales tax, and so on. First known tax system was implemented in ancient Egypt around 3000 BC. In the coming centuries, the Persian Empire, the Roman Empire, India, and other empires followed the tax collection method. Many European tax collection records are present from the 17th century onwards. So, let's get to today's topic. Is current tax system unfair towards middle class and lower income groups? Before we begin our topic, let us be clear that this video is biased towards middle class and low income class, and we have put forth discussion points only from their point of view. During our research, we saw many arguments and explanations of how the rich actually pay more tax than others because they fall in higher income brackets, and how the poor enjoy freebies and pay very little or no tax since they are in low income tax bracket. Okay, so a simple answer to our today's question is a definite yes. The tax system in most countries do not treat all taxpayers equally, meaning they discriminate against some, especially middle class and low income people. The rich actually end up paying no to very minimum amount in tax, while middle class and low income people pay much tax from their disposable income. This is because tax system does not fully consider the taxpayers' resources as compared to their obligations. Rich have multiple income resources, while the middle class and lower income class have limited resources. People who deal in intensive cash businesses or in illegal cash businesses can hide their income from the government. Tax system is designed in such a manner that the rich are able to clearly evade tax by bypassing their obligations, which means the rich have the ability to evade tax burden, while the middle class and low income people do not have such liberties. Middle class and low income groups usually are salaried people who cannot hide their income from the government. Tax of salaried people is deducted from the source known as TDS. A catch here is that the employer's part comes out of the paycheck of his worker. In almost all the countries, the government body which collects tax does not have enough human resources and time resources to actually verify each and every tax return filed, thus leading to a situation in which most of the tax burden has to be carried out by common people. And crooks like drug dealers, cash-intensive businesses, illegal aliens living in that country are able to get away without paying taxes. The tax system is very complex. This is a major concern of many individuals and also tax critics. In almost all countries, it is not only difficult but also next to impossible for many people to submit tax returns to their governments because of the complexity. Middle class and low income people as well as small businesses have to hire professionals to help them out. Not able to manipulate through the loopholes in the tax system, the middle class and low income groups are unable to skip or evade tax payment and sometimes end up paying more tax than required. Are you also troubled by tax system in your country? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and please like and share this video.